How to keep a consistent brand image on social platforms. Some businesses have found it challenging to maintain a consistent brand image across all of their social platforms due to the overwhelming amount of social media platforms that are currently available. Every channel has different success tactics, and every platform has a different personality and favored media types. When it comes to marketing, having a consistent brand image is essential for success. Brand consistency is the practice of maintaining an easily identifiable and consistent visual identity across all platforms and channels that your business uses. This includes both physical products or services and digital media such as social media profiles, websites, email campaigns, and more. A consistent brand image can help create a recognizable logo or slogan that customers identify with your company in order to increase recognition and build customer loyalty. Not only does establishing consistency in branding make it easier for potential customers to recognize your company, but it also helps give you credibility. If customers can tell immediately who they are dealing with just by looking at a post on social media or seeing your website page, they'll be more likely to trust that you are reliable. Establishing a voice. Creating and maintaining consistency in your brand's voice across all social media channels is essential for any business. With the ever-growing presence of digital and social platforms, businesses must be certain that their messaging is consistent in order to remain successful. Having a unified brand image across multiple social networks will help customers recognize you, build loyalty toward your company, and ultimately drive more business. A key element when establishing your brand's voice is finding the right tone to connect with target audiences. This can be done by researching the different platforms you are using and what type of language resonates best with users. By combining both professional yet conversational language together with industry-specific terms, you can easily create content that appeals to specific audiences while still staying true to your message. Choosing platforms. When making this decision, it's important to consider how each platform can be used differently and how they will work together as part of an overall branding strategy. Consider which channels are best suited for engaging with customers, creating content, and promoting products or services. Also, think about what type of content you want to post on each platform and whether you have enough resources available for managing multiple accounts. Lastly, make sure that you understand the demographics of each platform so that you can select those where your target audience is most likely to engage with you. Creating content. Creating content for social media platforms is one of the most important aspects of maintaining a consistent brand image. Content creation can be approached in many ways, with the ultimate goal being to create content that resonates with users and encourages them to engage with your brand. With the right strategy, it's possible to create engaging content that reflects your business values while adding value to customers' lives. The key elements of successful content creation are brainstorming ideas, understanding what kind of audience each platform attracts, and creating engaging visuals or videos. Having a clear plan or topics you want to cover helps focus your efforts and ensures you produce high-quality content on a regular basis. Additionally, utilizing analytics tools can help you better understand how your audience interacts with your posts so that you can tailor future posts more effectively. Visual design and branding elements. Visual design and branding elements are incredibly important when it comes to keeping a consistent image of your brand on social media platforms. It's no surprise that having a unified look across the board is essential for maintaining the unique identity of your business. A good way to ensure this is by developing a clear visual language that can be applied in all aspects related to your company. This includes logos, color palettes, fonts, graphical style, and more. Additionally, creating an effective strategy for leveraging visuals on social media can help create high-impact content which will engage with customers and build lasting relationships. By focusing on visual design and branding elements that support your overall mission, you'll be able to use visuals as a powerful tool to strengthen the presence of your business across multiple channels and create a positive impression among potential clients or customers. Engaging with followers. Engaging with followers is essential for keeping a consistent brand image on social platforms. This can be done by providing responses or comments on posts, asking questions, or engaging in relevant conversations. When responding to comments or messages from followers, make sure your tone is friendly yet professional. Use language that resonates with your target audience but also reflects positively on your company's values and beliefs. Lastly, don't forget that social media is about having fun. Analyzing results. Analyzing results is key to understanding the success of any marketing campaign, especially when it comes to maintaining a consistent brand image on social media platforms. In today's digital age, an organization needs to be aware of how their customers view them and how they can effectively leverage their presence on social media channels. Examining outcomes from different campaigns can provide valuable insights into what works best for your business, allowing you to make informed decisions about future marketing strategies. It's important that organizations actively monitor post engagement and customer sentiment in order to assess the success of any social media initiatives. Conclusion: maintaining brand consistency. In the age of digital business, maintaining a consistent brand image on social media platforms is essential for companies to stay competitive. An effective branding strategy starts with consistently presenting your brand's message across all social platforms and engaging with audiences in meaningful ways. Ultimately, keeping a consistent brand image requires effort and dedication from within the organization. Brand consistency also calls for setting high standards when it comes to content quality, while also making sure all posts are tailored specifically to each platform's unique audience base. However, maintaining your brand's consistency can be daunting and impossible without the help of social media experts. Our team of professionals will help you maximize the tools and platforms available to maintain your brand consistency and reach your business's full potential.